Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 5 science teacher. We are continuing with chapter number 11, rocks and minerals. We have done half of its part and half part is still left. So first of all, take out page number 117. Um, in this we are learning about sedimentary rocks. Last time we were learning about the igneous rocks, and we have done the classification rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. We have already done igneous rocks, and today we are learning about what are sedimentary rocks. Now, what are sedimentary rocks? First of all, I would like to tell that sedimentary rocks are formed by the accumulation. Accumulation means when something is accumulated or gathered together. So sedimentary rocks are formed by the accumulation or gathering of minerals and organic matter, and how they are gathered, they are transported by water. Water transports them. Now, what do sedimentary rocks contain? They contain fossils. Now, what do you mean by fossils? Fossils are the remains of animals and plants in rocks. And what are remains of animals and plants? Fossils means like your bones and your body parts, the ones that have disintegrated or they have finished. So, whatever is left in the form of a powder form or in the form of some like bones, that is called fossils. So sedimentary rocks are formed by the gathering of minerals and organic matters that are transported by water, and the sedimentary rocks contain fossils and are deposited, they gather in the layers at the bottom of lakes and oceans. Now this is the definition of sedimentary rocks, and sometimes they also contain the remains of the older rocks that are behind. So this was one of the questions that I gave. Question number 5, what are sedimentary rocks? And the answer lies from here. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition and sedimentation of minerals and organic matter that are transported by water. This is all. Then we studied about the various types of sedimentary rocks. And what are the different types of sedimentary rocks? Sandstone, conglomerate, shell and limestone. There are 4 types of sedimentary rocks, and we'll discuss one by one. But in question number 6, I have asked that name the 4 types of sedimentary rocks and rock. So you will only write the names of the sedimentary rocks. They are sandstone, conglomerate, shell and limestone. And I have also shared the 4 type of sedimentary rocks on the screen in our online class. You can also get it from the Google to see their shapes and draw them in front of this question, the 4 sedimentary rocks. Or you can draw this diagram also if you can't get that. Then we studied about the sandstone. The first type of sedimentary rock is the sandstone. Sandstone contains sandsites, minerals or grains. You know what is the size of the sand? Little powdery form. And it also contains rock fragments, rock particles and fossils. They all together become the sandstone. Then the other type of sedimentary rocks are conglomerate. It is a combination of sedimentary rocks that is formed from rounded gravel and boulders, and when they join together with minerals and sand, that becomes a conglomerate. Now turn your page on page number 117. We discussed about the shell. Now what is the shell? Shell is a fine grained mixture, and that is made of clay. Clay, you must be knowing, the different utensils are also made of clay. And so shell is a mixture of clay and tiny pieces of minerals. Tiny fragments means tiny pieces of minerals like quartz and calcite, and they are piled up in layers. So shell basically is a mixture of clay and small pieces of minerals, quartz and calcite. Now come to limestone, the fourth part of sedimentary rock. That is, usually we always see limestone in white or grey color, and it mostly consists of calcium carbonate, and it is formed in clear marine water. Marine means sea water. Over here it finishes here, and then we discussed about what are metamorphic rocks. I have given this question is question number 7. What are metamorphic rocks? So the answer lies here. Metamorphic rocks are formed when existing rocks are subjected to extreme heat and pressure. This is all the answer here. Then I asked, what are the 4 different types of metamorphic rocks? So the answer is here. The 4 different types of metamorphic rocks are slate, gneiss, quartzite and marble. These pictures also you can get from Google if you want to write this answer, like what are metamorphic rocks and the different 4 types of metamorphic rocks. You can get the picture of these slate, gneiss, quartzite and marble from net and draw them on the blank page. Now let's discuss the first one, slate. Now what is a slate? Slate you must see in the little children's home. It's a black color or sometimes grey colored, and the children write on it with the help of a white chalk. That is a fine grained metamorphic rock, and it is got from shale type sedimentary rock, and it is made of clay or volcanic ash. When the volcano bursts and it dries and it becomes cool, then the volcanic ash comes into being. It's like the ash of cigarette. So it is made of clay and volcanic ash and can break into fine layers. Then comes gneiss. It is formed from granite. Granite is also a form of rock and has light and dark bands. Now come to quartzite. Quartzite is a hard metamorphic rock, and we get it from sandstone when we give it extreme heat and pressure. Now marble you must have seen in your homes also, because we have marble floors, marble walls, and sometimes the toys and the decorative materials are also made of marble. It is mostly white marble is seen mostly, but it comes in different colors also, maybe sometimes brown, blue or grayish or like that. So but the most common color of marble is white marble. Okay, when you are writing about metamorphic rocks, you can also draw this diagram also. If you can't get it from the Google, you can draw this diagram. It will be enough on the blank page. So question number 5. Question number 5, what are sedimentary rocks? And name the 4 types of sedimentary rocks. Question 6. Question 7, what are metamorphic rocks? And question number 8, name the 4 types of metamorphic rocks is your homework along with the drawing. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.